How to add symbols on your Instagram bio. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the symbols on your Instagram bio. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Instagram application on your device. If you have already done so, then open your Instagram, open your profile, and you want to change your bio, so just tap on edit profile. Now you want to keep some of the symbols right here, but the keyboard has not enough symbols. So how you can do that is go on your preferred browser. After going on your preferred browser, on the top search bar you can simply search for fancy sparkle symbols. After you search for that, you will see many options right here, so just tap on any one of the option. Now if I want to put this one symbol right here, then I'll just copy it. I've already copied it to my clipboard, and now I'll again go on my Instagram application and then paste it right here and tap on the tick option, and now I'm done. This is how you can also do it, so do try it and see if it is fun and works or not. That's all for today. See you on the next video.